Ever walked into a living room that feels smaller than it actually is? Most people blame the furniture or the paint colors, but that's rarely the reason. Let me show you. The first thing you will notice here is this wooden feature wall. Looks decorative, right? It's actually hiding the bedroom door. Why does that matter? Because every extra door breaks the wall into smaller pieces. By hiding it, your eyes see one clean, continuous wall. The next design decision completely transforms the space, and this one is my favorite. This used to be a solid wall. We replaced it with an 8 feet sliding door. Now the garden becomes part of the living room. More daylight, more ventilation, and because your eyes travel beyond the glass, the room suddenly feels much larger than it actually is. But wait until you see what we did next. A premium TV unit isn't about adding more, it's about knowing what to leave out. That's why we kept the design minimal, seamlessly integrated the entrance to the puja room, and added this planter niche to bring warmth and life into the space without creating visual clutter. These are the simple design decisions, but they completely changed how the space feels. The kitchen has even more thoughtful design decisions than this living room. If you would like to see that walkthrough, let me know in the comments.